After impressed with the performance of the two leased Sea Guardian drones, the Navy, Army and the Air Force are finally jointly proceeding to procure 30 units of MQ-9 Reaper or Predator B armed drones from US. That could be a $3 billion deal. The decision comes just before US Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin's visit to India later this month. According to the deal, India will be acquiring 30 MQ-9 Reaper or Predator B, 10 each for the three services. The MQ-9B has an endurance of 48 hours and a range of over 6,000 nautical miles. It comes with 9 hardpoints, capable of carrying sensors and laser-guided bombs besides air-to-ground missiles, with a maximum payload of 2 tons. India's third Scorpene-class diesel-electric submarine INS Karanj has been commissioned into the Indian Navy in Mumbai on the 10th of March. The Scorpene-class submarine was commissioned into the Indian Navy in Mumbai in presence of Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Karambir Singh and Admiral, retired, versus Shekhawat. Speaking on the occasion, Navy Chief Admiral Karambir Singh said, "Indian Navy has been a strong proponent of indigenization and self-reliance in defense over past 7 decades. At present, out of 42 ships and submarines on order, 40 are being constructed in Indian shipyards." The Indian Navy has planned to build 6 nuclear attack submarine under Project 75 Alpha Black, which discussed at the recent Combined Commanders Conference. At the conference also discussed the commissioning of its indigenous second aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant, later this year. Indian Navy also planned to take 1 more Regular-class submarine on lease from Russia before 2025. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, has completed the development of a synthetic aperture radar, SAR, that capable of producing extremely high-resolution images for joint Earth observation satellite mission with the U.S. Space Agency National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. NISAR satellite, which is targeted to launch in early 2022 from Sriharikota Spaceport in Andhra Pradesh. NISAR will be the first satellite mission to use 2 different radar frequencies, L-band and S-band, to measure changes in Earth's surface.